We'll guide you through how to stop people from seeing you viewed their profile on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So as you know, people are able to go and see that you've gone and viewed and looked at their profile. Perhaps they asked you why you've been looking at their profile, or you just go and know that this is the feature on TikTok and you want to make sure you can go and look at someone's profile and they won't be able to go and see that you've done that. Make this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering important information throughout this whole guide. So it is important to note that if others can go and see that you viewed their profile, it means you can go and see if others have viewed yours. So to go and be able to go and see if others have viewed yours, it means others can go and see when you viewed theirs, if that makes sense. So to make it fair. So if you want to go and change this setting, what you need to do is you need to go and head to your profile on TikTok. So go to the bottom right and you can go and press profile like so. Now you can go and look in the top right and there should be a footsteps icon, or in some cases it can go and be a icon of the person who's going to have viewed your profile, and you can go and tap there, and this is going to go and open up profile views, and you can go through this list and go and see the different people who've gone and viewed your profile. So this means because we can go and see who's viewed ours, people are going to go and see when we've gone and viewed theirs if they've also got profile views turned on. So if you want to go and turn this off, what you need to do here is you need to go to the top right and press the gear or cog icon, and you'll see the option for viewer history. Alternatively, you can press the three bars in the top right of your profile and go to settings and privacy, then go down to privacy, and you can go and scroll down here and you can go and find viewers at the bottom. So what you can then do if you want to is you can go and turn this off. You can go and see that it also goes and applies to posts in 7 days and profile in the past 30 days. We're going to turn this off and that's it. So now you aren't going to be able to go and see who's viewed yours, but others can't go and see when you go and view theirs. That's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.